I turn off the device, and we are going back to the computer to see the rest of the flow. So let's do a refresh. Well, it took 3 minutes before turning off the device. And the idea is to see this 2024 going forward. Take a look on the storage account. Let me try to find where this flow is, minute 47 or 48. Let's go back a little bit. Sometimes it's kind of hard to find this. 2012, November, today 7, the last hour, GMT, 14. We'll go to minute 47 or 48. 48. And I'll have to open the file. Just wait a second. Where's the edit button? It's kind of hard. Yeah, find it. Okay. Let's move to the right and see if we can see the flow 2024 somewhere. 2024. Exactly. So we have the data inside the storage account. Now we want this data to be copied from the storage account to the SQL Server. In order to do that, I have to run the job we had created inside the Azure Data Factory. So let's open the Azure Data Factory. While Azure Data Factory opens, I'm running this job manually, just because I don't want, I don't have this device installed so far. It's under testing, so I just turn on this device from time to time to test. We install this on my house later, but as I don't have this installed right now, I will just run this job manually. So I will save some Azure costs, right? So let's just start the job. The job will read all that inside the storage account, drop the SQL table, and copy all over again. As I have a small data set so far, it's not really an issue. Maybe later I could copy the data from the storage account and just have the deltas into SQL. Okay, the job completed successfully. Opening SQL Studio and see if our 2024 milliliters are there. It'll take a few seconds to open. I'm opening the Azure SQL instance I have set up for this test. Let's open databases. Open the table. Take a while. Let's see some rows. Okay, the order is not good. Let me order by incubate time. So I will find that on the minute 47. Yeah, looks in the bottom. Yeah, there, yeah. 2024 at minute 47. Okay, that's all. Thank you.